jump down?
Come on. She did. Now she's trying to figure out how to get back up. You can do it. You can do it. Come on.
Go on, you can do it. Jump. Jump.
Oh, good girl. The first step. Yay. First step. You drag the shoe.
No, I'm just going to chew on the shoelace.
Bring it to Mom. Go get it. Nope. What you doing now? Gonna eat. Busy bee.